Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. I'm going to do a brief video here on something I think I've probably mentioned or talked about briefly, but haven't actually shown you. And this is going to be showering in an RV. Now, I'm very fortunate that I've got a Class C RV, which has a lot of room, and it has a bathroom shower. Now, I've only got a 24-foot Class C RV, which means when I'm sitting, not to get graphic, when I'm sitting on the potty, my knees and face and everything are an inch away from the wall. And also, when I go into the shower, I've got room to stand up. I'm 5'10", but it's got a dome on the ceiling, which goes up several inches and also lets in light. It's basically a skylight. Yeah, let's call it a skylight. So that skylight probably allows somebody 6'2" easily to take a shower in there. Now, a couple issues with that is I'm in a real small area in the shower. I'm going to be showing you here in a minute. And it is really difficult to reach your feet. And when you're doing your feet and your legs, anything below your knees, it becomes difficult. So if I'm going into town, most of the time, just so much easier to go to my gym, Planet Fitness, shower there. There are a couple of steps to take before taking a shower. Heat up my water using my hot water heater, which is 5 gallons. 5 gallons, if you're in a home, not gonna cut it, okay? But showers in an RV are specially made. In an RV, you wanna conserve water, and you only have that 5 gallons of hot water. So, and I'll show you this here in a moment, at the shower head, it's got an on-off button. So what you're gonna do, a lot of people call this the military type shower, but I'm gonna go in there, rinse off, get completely wet, turn off the water then. Get the bar of soap, lather up, head to toe completely, turn back on the water, rinse off, and we're talking like 30, 45 seconds. Turn the water off, get my wash rag, head to toe, scrubbing every part of my body. Yes, I'm man enough to admit I have a loofah, but it's on a long handle. Man, I could get my back, scrub it all the way around, and even down to my ankles and feet and things, and really get those washed and scrubbed really well, in addition to the wash rag. While I'm doing all of that, of course, the water's off. Then, now that I've scrubbed my entire body, I'm going to rinse again, 30, 45 seconds, maybe a minute, who knows. Once that's all done, and I know I'm head to toe, no more soap, I'm going to turn the water off. So I've had the water on for probably a total of, 3 minutes total? But I've been able to scrub myself really well, clean myself really well, wash rag, get all the pores, love it. Here's the tour of the shower. Life is better at the beach. Here we go. Oh, it's a little dark and scary. There we go. So again, we've got our toilet. This is a great DE, diatomaceous earth, DE. And when you step out of the shower onto this, that just dries up quick. Got my towel all ready, and there's the shower. Dun, 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 dun. Your normal on off. And here's the button on the side. Again, on, off, after you've got the water at the right temperature that you like. And here's that skylight. Let's look up right here. Got a fan. Vent cover is open. I like leaving this open. There's my loofah. There's the floor mat. And here's the curtain. That once I'm in there, not for privacy, so water doesn't come out all on the floor. It's kind of nice because when you hit it with your elbow or something, it's not like you're up against solid glass. Again, I normally keep that open, but there you have it. Now again, if I have the opportunity, I'm going to be using my gym in town. If I'm staying in the woods like I am now, and I'm not going to go to town for a week, 10 days, 14 days even, then is RV shower time. I hope this gave you a little insight on showering in an RV. One thing I forgot to mention is that I want hot water. If I'm plugged into shore power, got a plug at an RV park, or I'm running my generator, I can flip a switch to have the hot water heater go on with the electric power. Me, I'm not on shore power. I don't want to run my generator and burn gas. I've got a second option for the hot water heater of propane. I flip it on. It takes about 30 minutes to heat up that full 5 gallons. I can tell by being in my bedroom when it's done because it shuts off. As soon as that happens, boom, I run and take the shower. The one thing I have to remember is after I get out and I've dried off, flip that hot water heater off so it's not continually using propane to heat up hot water. I've done that before where like an hour later I'm like, oh, I forgot to turn that off. It's been using propane heating up hot water. I don't need any more. So from Ninja and I, thank you for watching. Please smash that thumbs up button and give me a like. Ninja and I would greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do and get notified anytime I post new videos, which are about every day or two. For all of you out there, be positive, be nice, be active. That's what I'm working on doing. And you all have a great rest of your day.